Welcome to our lesson on installing the Arduino software. In this lesson, we will be walking you through the process of installing the Arduino software on your computer, so that you can start using your Arduino board for your projects. Before we start, here are a few things you'll need. A computer running Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. A USB cable. An Arduino board. With these items ready, let's get started. Step 1. Download the Arduino software. The first step is to download the Arduino software from the official Arduino website. You can find the latest version of the software at www.arduino.cc. Simply click the download button, and the software will begin downloading to your computer. Step 2. Install the Arduino software. Once the software has finished downloading, double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Step 3. Connect your Arduino board. Once the software has been installed, it's time to connect your Arduino board to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure that your Arduino board is turned off before connecting it to your computer. Step 4. Launch the Arduino software. With your Arduino board connected, launch the Arduino software. You should see a blank sketch, a program, in the editor window. Step 5. Select your board and port. In order to communicate with your Arduino board, you need to select the correct board and port in the Arduino software. To do this, click on the Tools menu, then select Board, and choose your board from the list. Then, click on the Tools menu again, select Port, and choose the correct port from the list. Step 6. Test your connection. Now that you have selected your board and port, it's time to test your connection. To do this, simply click on the File menu, then select Examples, and choose 01 Basics, Blink. This will load a simple example program that will make the built-in LED on your board blink on and off. Step 7. Upload your program. Once the example program is loaded, click on the Upload button to upload the program to your Arduino board. If everything has been set up correctly, the LED on your board should start blinking. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Arduino software and tested your connection to your Arduino board. From here, you can start creating your own projects and programs using the Arduino software.